Welcome to Mouselow Car Centre. We're pleased to offer this ULEZ compliant 2016 Honda HR-V 1.5 i-VTEC SE CVT automatic, done only 33,000 miles, with the added benefit of a full dealership service history. Features include front and rear parking sensors, cruise control, a 7-inch touchscreen display, electronically folding and adjustable wing mirrors, and a DAB radio. For more information or to arrange test drive or viewing, please visit www.mouselow.co.uk or call us on 0161 494 2113. Thank you.